Back to your extension activity. I hope that you enjoyed making your storyboard and enjoyed that experience so that you can take that into your lesson for Thursday with Miss Anderson. So here is your extension activity. I have this really great little video for you to watch of Kid President. You may know him as Soul Pancake. And he is giving a little persuasive speech to parents about what kind of vacation kids really want. So if you are interested in doing this extension activity, I encourage you to do so because we want to know what you think, because this is what a public service announcement is. It's persuasive, it's opinion, it's argumentative. So let's get started. I'll let you watch the Soul Pancake on your own. But then after you finish watching him, you are going to watch this quick little video that's like persuasive writing for kids. So what is it? What am I doing? And then I have this quick little anchor chart to help get you started. It has some of those introductory words and phrases, some transitions, some opinion clues, those words that we've been telling you not to use because you're writing informational text. Well, now you get to use them. So please pull these words out and make it as persuasive as you can. All right, and then you're going to be choosing. So you can choose Chiefs or Buccaneers. And then you will write on this page right here, recess or no recess. I know some of you are really disappointed that you don't have recess in 6th grade. Okay, so tell me about it. Or you hated recess in 5th grade and you're so glad that we don't have it now. Okay, tell us about it. Persuade me to think the way that you think. And then here's your space for writing. And finally, dogs or cats. People have really great opinions about this. So then you will write. And then finally, I would love for you guys to be able to share. So I've made this Padlet for us to share our opinions and our persuasive writing to see if maybe we can get someone to change their opinion or feelings about one of these topics. So if you need the link is right here. If you click on this Be Kind picture, that will take you to the Padlet. Or if you need to scan, you may scan right here. Enjoy your extension and let us know how you feel about these topics. Persuade us. Happy writing!